ICCT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether iCoreConnect stock is a buy or not for me. This is a very decent correction today, which is like 45% down, which is kind of tough, to be very frank. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space over the last 5 years. For 5 figures, I've been investing courses and mentors with 39,000 videos made, all documented, by the way. Not many people, no one can say this like the same way I'm saying this. Almost 40,000 videos have been documented like this, you know, ticker symbol analysis. Specifically here, obviously very open-minded for buying like crazy. I mean, I got this long side prediction, which is totally fair, and here's the before. So, I mean, after this, the only thing that will make sense here is counting this as another demand zone. And unless I see the price pulling down and giving me any sort of shift, then I'm not going to be willing to buy. Really all there is to it. Other than that, everything else is noise. There's no confirmation, I'm not buying. You bet I'm not going to buy. I'm just going to move this to here. The same thing like before, but just another type of confirmation. If you want to stay tuned with ICCT and want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free.